Hi guys, this is Gary Audi from Durban, South Africa. I'm a local business owner in Umhlanga Rocks. This is a message not only to all the business owners out there, merchants, retailers, but also for every single person watching this video. This is an incredible opportunity to get ahead, and if you're running a business, get your business into the next age. If you are an individual, to start to diversify out of the South African Rand. And I want to just put it up front for anybody that has any fears out there. There is no cost involved to get involved in this program. Absolutely no cost. So you have absolutely no risk. And there is a massive upside. So please pay attention for the next 10 to 12 minutes. So what is Capripay? Well, Capripay is the very first cryptocurrency payment solution with an integrated cashback using a globally respected cryptocurrency. And it encases an incredibly powerful marketing, advertising and loyalty program that really is second to none. Many of you don't know what cryptocurrency is. Well, really, it is your money in digital form. So what do they provide? They provide a payment solution where there are no fees or charges. It's 100% secure and interchangeable into any currency. Have a look on the right there. So if you have a cryptocurrency, you can change it into any currency around. At the moment, they are offering 7 different currencies. It gives you protection out of the hands of governments and banks. It's a solution to commerce, government regulations, and transaction fees. It's not dissimilar to an international bank account, but it's only much, much better. Okay, there's so much more you can do with it. And the only requirement is a smartphone, and you need to download the actual mobile app, which is absolutely free of charge. So what is this cryptocurrency we're talking about? Well, it's called Capricoin. Okay, it's a second generation cryptocurrency. It's been modeled on the very first cryptocurrency that was established, which is Bitcoin. It provides a platform where you can make instant payments worldwide, regardless of where you are. It's designed to grow in value, can handle commercial volume. So if there are 1 million people using it today at the same time, the transaction times are still instantaneous, 2 to 3 seconds, and has an incredible powerful marketing reach. I mentioned earlier, it's designed to grow in value. Well, let's just have a look. It listed on the public exchange in July 2015 at 4 cents. It's already trading at 24 cents to the dollar. So already there's a 600% appreciation in this currency. Okay, if you take that and you compare it to your local currency, you will see you would never achieve the same result. In the South African Rand, in South Africa, for example, in December alone, it lost 35% of its value. Now, for a cryptocurrency to be legal, it's got to trade on an open exchange. Okay, Capricoin is trading on Bittrex.com and Bluetrade.com. And the other criteria, it's got to have its own blockchain. And Capricoin does have its own blockchain. So most businesses want to grow their business, and traditionally to grow our business we have to advertise to draw people to our store. Okay, and as we advertise, it costs us money, and we're not sure of the kind of result we're going to get. So that's what we look at, and that's what's been sort of available to majority of people. It's high risk, it's not quantifiable, and you need to pay the money regardless of whether your advert works or not. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind opportunity that encompasses an incredibly powerful marketing program, advertising tools which are included but not limited to data analytics, a unique loyalty program that actually works, creating customer stickiness, an additional payment gateway for a cryptocurrency, putting your business into the next age, all in one, totally risk-free. So what do they provide? Free mobile applications for the merchant and for the consumer, an advanced cryptocurrency online wallet, payment service provider with an integrated cashback, and a merchant marketing system second to none. State-of-the-art technology made available for all of you at no cost. See, the majority of retailers are playing in the same space. They're all trying to do the same thing, to try and gain that little bit of advantage on their competitors. This will take your business to the next age and it won't cost you anything. Okay, it's time to think out of the box. What are the objectives for merchants? Well, we want to bind consumers to these merchants, to the business. Okay, we want to ensure more foot traffic. We want to reward the consumers on their spend, and we want to give businesses an opportunity for true risk-free advertising, creating loyalty that actually works and providing you with quantifiable results and reports. What are the objectives for individuals, for you as a consumer? Well, we want to empower all the participants, okay, in a total risk-free opportunity and provide you with a lifelong annuity income that is totally passive, doesn't cost you anything to get involved, absolutely risk-free. Monthly savings on all your purchases, and we want to go right across the board. We want to save you money on all your bank charges because there's no need for banks anymore. There's no middleman with these transactions. And we put you into an appreciating currency that just grows and grows in value. So how does the business model work? Well, the merchant agrees to pay a percentage, which you call a cashback, on all purchases of our members, of the Capricoin members, at these particular merchants. Okay, so the agreement is they pay a percentage of 1 to 10 to 20%, whatever they want to pay, on every single purchase made at their store. So if we don't send them somebody, they don't pay, and they agree on that percentage themselves. Obviously, the higher the percentage, the more the incentive. Down below, you'll see that's where the merchant sets his cashback. So, really what happens here is you turn all your customers, as a merchant, you turn all your customers into salespeople for your business. Because 100% of the cashback paid to the members is paid via a tiered business model. Okay, members receive a cashback on their own spend, as well as the spend of others that they register onto this network. Okay, creating a self-multiplying sales force where every customer of yours becomes a salesperson for your business. Capripay provide the free payment platform that automates and controls the entire process. It's totally non-discriminatory. Everyone can participate. Types of retailers, all online and offline merchants. There are a whole lot of examples. Clothing, plumbing, pharmaceutical, vehicles, building, groceries, fuel, cell industry, furniture, etc. So how does this lifelong annuity income work for all the consumers? Well, when you download the app, you automatically qualify for 75% of any cashback coming back from any merchant that you're spending at. You then have the opportunity to register as many friends and family as possible into the program so that they now have the same opportunity as you. So they will receive 75% back of any cashback on their spend. Plus, because you've registered them, the program registers that they are linked to you for life. 5% of the cashback on the spend of all of these registered members that fall below you will come to you every month, okay, for life, all right? But it doesn't stop there. It goes 2 levels deep. So anybody that they introduce because they want the same opportunity as you, you will also receive a 5% of that combined cashback every single month. Important to note that this cashback is in the form of Capricoin, okay, which is an appreciating asset. It's totally unlimited and it's totally risk-free, thus installing a culture of mutual support and social responsibility. Removing the need for cash, cards, banks, introducing a new cryptocurrency that's just growing in value, and all you need is a smartphone, allowing you to diversify out of your currency into international currency of choice. Give you a complete summary. Well, it's a cryptocurrency payment solution with a cashback, merchant notifications, special promotions, and targeted markets, giving you a complete solution which is totally free, creating loyalty, customer retention, customer targeting, brand building, and building your business. What's the expected growth? Well, we expect to have, the forecast is 20 million customers globally by the year 2018. Okay, keep that in mind. It's 20 million new customers for every potential business. What are the costs? Now let's look at the fine print. No startup cost, no monthly cost, no annual cost, no transaction cost. absolutely free of charge, zero barriers to entry, creating a complete win-win. I want to cast your minds back to Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever established. Okay, they've paved the way for Capricoin in many, many ways. Currently, Bitcoin's value per coin is around about just under $700 at the time of this video. Okay, their transactional volume on average per day is about $200 million per day. All right, now let's go back to Capricoin. Okay, their forecast is to have 20 million users by the end of 2018. If these users have an average spend of $10 a day, we achieve the same result above. And it's that particular spend that creates the demand and creates the value in the coin. So how do you register? Well, all you need to do is download your mobile wallet from the following link. If you are a merchant, download the app on your PC and then click Upgrade to Merchant. Follow instructions to acquire the APIs for online business. You can also go to capripay.com, capricoin.org, and visionary.com. Or contact the person that told you about this. Some fast wins. Business owners register their staff, register all clients below the business. They create the loyalty. Their staff then start encouraging their friends to also shop there, because as their friends shop there, the staff benefit, and of course you're increasing your market share. Schools register all parents beneath the school. Churches register all congregations under the church. Same with charities, sports clubs, and online businesses. Here's a short example of earnings. Okay, this is what's so exciting. It's a lifelong monthly income. If you introduce just 10 members and the average spend is $1,000 a month and the cashback is 10%, your percentage that you get every month will be 50 Rand. Remember, it costs you absolutely nothing. Now you're earning 50 Rands worth of Capricoin every month. And that's at the value of 25 cents. If those Capricoins appreciate to $5, to just $5, that 50 Rand is actually worth 1,000 Rand a month. If you grow the business and the business automatically does grow and you end up with, let's say, 500 members beneath you, the total spend on 1,000 Rand each, it will give you a 500,000 Rand spend. Cashback, 50,000, 5% override will be 2,500 with the coin every month, monthly, okay, with the coin's value at 25 cents. Should the coin's value appreciate to $5, that's equivalent to 50,000 Rand. Right? And this just goes on and on. So it's an appreciating asset with an incredible upside potential. I want to encourage you guys to get involved, get information about this, and download the app as soon as possible. Thank you for the time. Thank you for listening to me. And until the next video, go well. This is Gary signing off.